Creighton, the former Dallas Cowboy. And they'll move the chains again. He's brought down at the 33-yard line. That's an 18-yard hookup. Rivers to Creighton.
And again, it's the Seahawks rushing just 3 men at Philip Rivers. Creighton really having a good day for the San Diego Chargers. With solid returning punts